Scottsdale Airport information, Zulu scoring, altimeter 3025. Selected 654, Scottsdale 32 Delta Whiskey Hotel Airport, Catman 6 departure, phase transition, as filed. Maintain 5000, expect level 450, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, and squawk 1630.
Ground flagship 654 is Ross ready with Zulu.
Flagship 654, Scottsdale ground, runway 21, taxi Alpha.
The Alpha is 21, flagship 654.
Aviator 95, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 21.
Also runway 21, Aviator 995.
Cessna 09 Mike, left close traffic approved.
Left close traffic approved, down that Mike.
Aviator 54, traffic follows the Gulfstream ahead and to your left, 4 miles.
Traffic inside, Aviator 54.
Aviator 54, follow traffic number 2, caution wait turbulence, runway 21, clear touch and go.
Follow traffic, caution wait turbulence, runway 21, clear touch and go, Aviator 54.
Scottsdale Tower, hook up to 71, whiskey Papa 9 miles to the northwest. Greenbelt transition to the southeast with Zulu.
Flight Dr. 71, Whiskey Papa, Scottsdale Tower, transition of 3000, close to Scottsdale, altimeter 3025.
Roger that, hook up to 71, whiskey Papa.
Cessna 09 Mike, make a right 360.
Flight 360 is down the Mike. We'll make this one full stop if possible, 09 Mike.
Cessna 09 Mike, thank you. I have your request. Julie Bravo, safe parking. And Julie Bravo, left turn when able, taxi to parking via Bravo, monitor ground as you go. Left 654, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Helicopter 1, Whiskey Papa, frequency change approved, safe flight.
Roger, thank you. Hook up to 71, whiskey Papa.
Aviator 54, caution wait service, try to Gulfstream, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, Aviator 54.
Aviator 16, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Aviator 16, thanks, Bob.
Flight 654, contacting departure, good day.
Alright, switch departure, flagship 654, see you.
November 96436, Scottsdale Tower, transition approved as requested, Scottsdale altimeter 3025.
Roger, 3025, 436.